Hello, my fellow YouTubers. I am in the iMac or the Mac store again in Pleasanton Mall, and we are very frustrated because Bonbon wants an iPhone
for $500.
and she can get on Craigslist for $300, or Doodle's giving her one for free. So she is doing too much.
Spoiled bitch at this.
We're trying to convince her she's mounts. She just don't care. But what do you have to say about this, Maida? What do you actually, Maida, I was going to ask you, what are you doing for Valentine's Day?
Kicking with you. Cause you my
That's true. Actually, it goes the other way around. But anyways, we are trying to have a little shindig at the house and do something crazy for Valentine's Day because none of us have no mans, and we're sexy bitches. But yeah,
with problems.
with issues. One's on parole and the other one's out of jail. Fresh out of jail.
It's on parole. Parolee right here.
Oh well. So yeah, if you guys want to date us, you guys can email me.
They're locking all the bitches with good pussy up.
They're locking all the good bitches up. But if you guys really want to date us, you guys can email me at feelingbuzz@aol.com. And please feel free to ask me for my address. So you guys can send me flowers and any other chocolates, cookies, vibrators, whatever. It doesn't matter. Just holla at us. Anything. But we will definitely get explained to y'all. Bye, YouTube.